Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and home solutions. Today, we're diving into what I confidently call the best secret lock on the market, the Nellcore RFID hidden cabinet lock. Whether you're looking to secure your valuable items, keep kids out of certain areas, or simply add an extra layer of security to your home or office, this lock promises to deliver. So, let's get right into it. First off, let's talk about what's inside the box. The Nellcore RFID hidden cabinet lock comes in a convenient 2-pack, perfect for securing multiple cabinets, drawers, or even toolboxes. Each pack includes 2 electronic locks, along with all the necessary mounting hardware and a USB cable for power, making installation a breeze. At first glance, these locks are sleek and minimalistic, made from durable metal and available in both painted and polished finishes. They blend seamlessly with most cabinet styles without drawing unwanted attention. This invisible design is perfect for maintaining the aesthetic of your space while keeping things secure. Now, let's talk technology. The Nellcore lock utilizes RFID and NFC technology, allowing you to unlock your cabinets with a simple swipe of an RFID card or even your smartphone. Yes, you heard that right, smartphone compatibility means you can manage access digitally, adding a modern touch to traditional locking mechanisms. Using the lock is straightforward. To unlock, just swipe your RFID card over the sensor, or if you prefer, use the dedicated app on your Android or Apple device. The process is quick and responsive, ensuring you're not left fumbling around when you need access. Installation is another strong point for the Nellcore lock. The package includes clear, step-by-step instructions, making it easy even for those who aren't particularly handy. You'll need a screwdriver and some basic tools, but overall, setting up these locks is simple and doesn't require any professional help. I decided to install one on my kitchen cabinet and another on my office drawer. The alignment is crucial, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty smooth. Plus, the lock's design ensures that it remains hidden from plain sight, providing both security and discretion. Security-wise, the Nellcore lock offers peace of mind, with multiple programmable access cards and the ability to integrate with your smartphone. You have full control over who can access your secured areas. This is especially useful in environments where different people need different levels of access. How does the Nellcore stack up against other similar products? Compared to the WOOCH RFID locks or the Tokatuker invisible cabinet lock, Nellcore offers competitive pricing without compromising on features. The addition of smartphone compatibility and the sleek, hidden design give it an edge in both functionality and aesthetics. While the Nellcore lock is generally user-friendly, the initial setup can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with electronic locks. Ensuring proper alignment during installation is key to optimal performance. Additionally, reliance on electronic components means that power outages could temporarily disable the lock, although the included USB power option helps mitigate this issue. Overall, the Nellcore RFID hidden cabinet lock stands out as a top-tier solution for anyone looking to enhance the security of their cabinets and drawers without compromising on style or convenience. Its combination of advanced technology, ease of use, and discreet design makes it a worthy investment for both home and office settings. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, smart, and stylish locking solution, the Nellcore RFID hidden cabinet lock might just be the perfect fit for you. Check out the link in the description below to learn more or to make a purchase. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.